Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Volvo XC60 hood. First, locate the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side near the footwell. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a clear click, indicating the primary latch has disengaged. This action will slightly pop the hood open, preparing it for the next step. It's a simple first move to access your engine bay. Now move to the front of your Volvo XC60. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, directly above the grille near the center. You're looking for a small, often plastic, lever or tab. This is the secondary safety latch, designed to prevent accidental opening while driving. Once you've located the secondary latch, you'll either push it to the side, pull it up, or squeeze it, depending on your specific XC60 model. This action will fully release the hood. With the secondary latch disengaged, the hood is now free to be lifted. Always ensure your hands are clear of any moving parts as you proceed to lift it. With both latches released, gently lift the hood upwards. It will open smoothly, revealing the engine compartment. Next, locate the hood support rod, typically found clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Extend this rod and firmly insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood to keep it securely open while you work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.